morning. What are dental implants and do they restore somebody's smile completely? So the answer to this is dental implants are a true replica of a natural tooth which not only restores form, function and aesthetics but somebody's confidence too. Yes, dental implants can restore somebody's smile completely. And dental implants are made of commercially available grade 4 titanium, which is a medical grade titanium and it is 100% biocompatible. Straumann, a legend in implant dentistry, has gone a step ahead and patented a material called rock solid, which is 85% commercially available grade 4 titanium and 15% zirconia. This material is claimed to be the most successful dental implant material. And we as clinicians do acknowledge that Straumann dental implants are 100% successful implants. Implant is not just about the screw which is drilled into the bone. There is a connector called abutment, and these abutments can be custom abutments made for you, can be generic abutments which a company gives, and also custom zirconia abutments which are tooth-colored abutments. Now, if it is a custom zirconia abutment, because the crown which seats on it is also going to be zirconia or all ceramic, the tooth is going to look very natural. If it is a snappy abutment or a generic abutment given from the company, it's a titanium alloy abutment, and hence the tooth which comes onto it would be a porcelain fused metal. Though it might look really good, though it might be a good replica, but aesthetics are kind of compromised. When it comes to custom abutment with zirconia crown, that is also a solution where the implant and the custom abutment are made of titanium, whereas the crown which sits on it is a zirconia crown. Depending on the choice and depending on what you want and depending on how aesthetics matter to you and how a natural simile of your smile matters to you, you can choose different materials. And here at Alux Dental, we exclusively use Straumann implants because they today are considered the best in the field of dentistry. Thank you.